only three things are needed for the best paper position. Number one, slant. It means that your paper or your copybook should be slanted if you're right-handed. Slant your copybook anti-clockwise. There is no particular angle which is fixed as you are comfortable, so you can rotate or slant your copybook. All right. And if you're left-handed, you must rotate the copybook or paper clockwise like this, because you will hold the pen like this. So let me guide for the right-handed, and the left-handed will do it vice versa. So this is right-handed. I will slant it anti-clockwise. This is the way I am comfortable with. And second point is, I will keep, if I am sitting like here in straight, right? If I am sitting like this straight, then obviously I will, this is my hand, I'm sitting straight here. So I will keep the copybook at the right side. My body is here, and my hand is there, so that my hand will go like this, not like this. If I will keep it like this, so I will be having hand like this. It will be very uncomfortable. My hand are not starting from the middle of the chest or at the bottom of the neck, but my arm is starting from the right side. Okay, so the copybook should go there and slant it, because I don't want my hand to be like this. It will be very difficult for me. My shoulder will be hurting, so I better rotate it like this. All right, so this is how you will write. Number one for the best paper position is slant the copybook or paper. And number two, putting at right side for right-handeds. Okay, the last thing is, yes, put the left hand here. If I am not putting it right here, okay, it will be very difficult for me. It will not be balanced. I'm not very comfortable. You have to keep your hand empty and put your hand here. It will be very convenient. Putting left hand on paper, so that is it. This is for the right-handed. If you're left-handed, you will slant the copybook clockwise. This is your body. You will keep it here, right from this way, okay, and put your right hand on the paper, and you may write. Okay, so this is it from today's side. Thank you so much. Take care.